Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting instrument, the ZAMASS electronic keyboard hand-roll piano. This isn't your typical bulky keyboard. It's designed to be incredibly portable, rolling up neatly so you can take it just about anywhere. Weighing in at around 2.5 kilograms, it's surprisingly light for an 88-key instrument. Despite being roll-up, it features 88 standard, thickened keys, covering the full A1 to C9 range. The thickened design aims to give a more substantial feel compared to thinner roll-up keyboards, which is a big plus, especially for those learning or practicing proper finger technique. When it comes to sounds, this ZAMASS piano doesn't hold back. It comes loaded with 128 standard sounds and 128 standard rhythms, offering a huge palette for exploration and practice across different musical styles. There are also 21 demonstration songs built in, which are great for listening or playing along with. Players can add expression with vibrato and sustain effects. For learners, the chord functions are particularly useful, supporting single-fingered chords, multi-fingered chords, and synchronized chords, making it easier to get started with accompaniment. A notable feature is the recording capability, allowing users to record up to 700 notes. This is fantastic for capturing ideas or reviewing practice sessions. It also includes playback and programming functions. All the settings, the selected timbre, rhythm, and demo song status, are clearly shown on the digital display, which is a simple but essential feature for navigating the options. Connectivity is straightforward. It has ports for external headphones, perfect for quiet practice without disturbing others, and also for external amplifiers, so you can play out loud if needed. The construction is highlighted as being made from environmentally friendly and durable materials, with fine workmanship and smooth edges. This attention to detail makes it feel safe and pleasant to use, suitable for a wide range of users from beginners and students just starting out, to adults and even professionals who might need a portable practice instrument. It's worth mentioning the support offered. They provide a 24-hour contact window for questions and will even provide free parts if the keyboard arrives severely damaged, which is reassuring. Overall, this ZAMASS hand-roll piano packs a lot of features into a highly portable format, making it a versatile option for anyone looking for a full-size keyboard that doesn't take up much space or can travel with them.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.